Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to make professional level KitKat shake, and for this recipe we'll require these ingredients. First of all, we'll require a kadchi of this size. We'll require half a cup of milk. We'll also require some KitKat. I have taken about 9 bars of crushed KitKat. After that we'll require a brick of ice cream and Hershey's syrup. You can take any chocolate syrup instead of this. We'll also require a mixer grinder. So first of all, we'll take up a mixer grinder and add a milk to it. Remember that this recipe will serve one. So now we'll open up our ice cream brick and add it to the milk. Now we'll add our KitKat in the mixer grinder. Now we'll close the lid of the beaker and attach it to the bottom part. Now we'll turn on our mixer and start to mix the shake. So now we'll remove the lid and our shake will be ready. So now we will take up our chocolate syrup and decorate our glass with it. So now we will pour our shake into a glass and it will be ready to be served. So thanks for watching guys. Do let me know how was this recipe and subscribe for more.